How to insert a clickable link in Instagram bio. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a clickable link in your Instagram bio. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Instagram application, please visit your App Store or your Play Store first and check if your Instagram is up to date. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is updated, let's just go ahead and open it. And from the home page or from any other page, if you're still not on your profile page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and that will get you to your profile page. And from here, let's just click on this edit profile option right below our bio. Click on that, and right under the bio option again, there is called the links option. So let's just click on add links. And Instagram will ask you to add an external link. So let's just click on that. And from here, we will put the URL. So as you can see, Instagram put an example of a valid URL. So you should follow that. It should have like the HTTP at the start and the slashes and the whole URL. So to ensure that your URL is working, you can also test it out first on your browser. So for example, I'm just going to open up Safari. So from here, I have opened my Twitter profile, and when I click on the search bar at the top, this should be the complete URL of my Twitter profile. So I have made sure that my link is working. I have now copied it, and now I will just paste it in the URL space on this Instagram option right here, and I'm just gonna type in a title, Twitter, since this is my Twitter account. So just click on done once you have both the URL and the title, and it has now been added to your bio. Let's just click on done once again to edit our profile, and as you can see, there is that link on our Instagram bio. So let's just test it out if it is clickable. And as you can see, it has been loaded to be redirected to my Twitter profile as well. So that is how you can basically insert a clickable link in Instagram bio.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.